Throughout your web conferencing sessions, you will undoubtedly run into a number of different issues. And you're not always going to be able to anticipate them, but there are a few that we can definitely mention right now, and hopefully you can avoid some of those issues in the future. To begin with, when it comes to technology, some of the common problems that can come up are in terms of the microphone that either you or your learners are using. It's important to keep in mind that some microphones have a switch on the microphone itself to mute, in addition to the muting button that is available in the web conferencing platform that you're using. So sometimes a person's unmuted in one place, but muted in the other place. So that's one issue that can often come up. You want to make sure that people are unmuted in all the places if they want to actually speak. Also, it can be a common issue in which someone might have the wrong microphone chosen as the default choice in the web conferencing platform. This can especially happen if they're on a device that has multiple microphones available. The way in which to switch a microphone will really depend on what application you're using. But if you need assistance with learning how to switch between which microphone's being used, definitely reach out to us and we can help you sort that out. In addition to that, learners may have an issue with how to turn on and turn off their webcam. Again, these are issues that we can usually sort out by looking at the particular platform you're using, and that is again something that we can help guide you with if that issue comes up. Also keep in mind that when we are using our webcam in a web conferencing platform, the webcam can only be used in one program at a time. Now what that means is if, for example, we were recording a Canvas Studio video earlier, and maybe we left Canvas Studio turned on in the background, and then we launch our web conferencing platform. Well, odds are the web conferencing platform will not be able to see or use the webcam because it's already being used over here by Canvas Studio. So if you notice that your webcam is just not working properly, you'll want to make sure you don't have any other applications using it right now. Again, there's many other technology issues that can come up, but those are some of the most common ones that we have seen. Now, as you conduct your web conferencing sessions going forward, there are a few things that we want to make sure that we're doing in order to support our learners and make sure that none of them fall off the radar. First of all, make sure that you are conducting your virtual student hours in addition to your web conferencing sessions. So providing those drop-in sessions where students can stop by and talk to you. This is important if they are having any issues or stress or something else that's going on that's causing any difficulties. In addition to that, we want to make sure that we're doing some one-to-one reach out to those learners who perhaps are becoming no-shows. Maybe they're just not showing up to the live sessions. They're not showing up to the virtual student hours. They're just not there. We want to make sure that we're reaching out to them, and we may have to reach out in different ways. If they're not going to do any video conferencing, well, maybe we have to send them an email. And if all of our communication methods are falling on deaf ears, then that's where we might need to take the next step and do an early alert so that perhaps our advisors can step in and see what the issues might be. Lastly, do bear in mind that you're not in this by yourself. We do have our e-learning specialist who can certainly help your learners with how to utilize the technology and be successful in the online course. And obviously, you have the CPD department to help you with how to use the technology and how to conduct your online class effectively. So don't be afraid to reach out if you need some support.